In today's video, I'll show you how to completely delete the WooCommerce plugin from your WordPress site. This is helpful if you're cleaning up unused plugins or switching platforms. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. From the left sidebar, go to Plugins and click Installed Plugins. Here you'll see all plugins on your site. Find WooCommerce in the list or use the search bar. Before deleting, we need to deactivate it. Click the Deactivate link below WooCommerce. This ensures the plugin is safely turned off. Once deactivated, the delete option appears in the same spot. Click delete and confirm the action. WooCommerce will now be fully removed from your site. Keep in mind that some data like orders and settings may remain in your database. So use extra tools if you need a full cleanup. And that's it. WooCommerce is gone, keeping your WordPress site clean and streamlined. Like and subscribe for more tips.